Welcome back to Self-Talk Sunday. Have you ever thought, I'd love to try keto or carnivore, but I don't have a gallbladder, so I wouldn't be able to handle the fat? Let's stop that thought right there. First of all, you're not broken. Your body just works differently now. Did you know that your liver still makes bile even without a gallbladder? It just releases it slowly instead of in one big surge when you eat. That means you can still digest fat, you just have to go a little bit slower and choose smarter fats. You need to start small, spread your fat throughout the day, and focus on MCTs. You may have heard of them if you've been watching some keto videos. MCTs stand for medium chain triglycerides. You'll find them in coconut oil, butter, and MCT oil, which is oil made from coconut. These fats are special. They don't require bile for digestion. They go straight to the liver for energy. And if you need proof that your body can adapt, let me share a personal story with you. My brother, who I mention frequently on this channel, was my only fan in the beginning and a loyal fan, but we started keto over 6 years ago. My brother had life-threatening pancreatitis in his 40s and lost 70 or 80 pounds, something like that, and underwent a Whipple procedure. No gallbladder, only a partial pancreas left, the works. Doctors told him that he would never digest fat again, that he'd be on enzymes for life, and probably an insulin-dependent diabetic. The one doctor said, "We'll probably have to file for disability and you won't work again, Jim." But he didn't accept that. He recovered, went back to work in road construction, and kept that job until he retired. Today he's 74 and follows a ketovore lifestyle, eats plenty of fat every single day, and his A1C, I think the last he told me, was about 5.4. I tell you this because I want you to realize your body is resilient and it can adjust to its new environment. So the next time you catch yourself thinking, I can't do keto because I lost my gallbladder, change that self-talk to, I can, I just need to do it differently. Because healing doesn't require perfection. It requires partnership with your biology. You have to do what works for your biology. And if you would like the full step-by-step breakdown of how to make keto or carnivore work long-term without a gallbladder, stay tuned. That long-form video's coming up next week. This is Dr. Rose, the Primal Professor, where we change lives on this channel through low-carb living. I'll see you in the next video.